This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Christina Grossu. This 1920s 2-bedroom/2-bath corner unit condo in the heart of Plaza Midwood/Elizabeth is absolutely stunning. The Rutzler, listed on the National Register of Historic Places, has been fully restored. Second floor unit features natural light, filling all rooms as this specific unit faces south. Beautiful original hardwoods adorn entire condo, include the 2 large bedrooms, living room and dining area. Original checkered tile covers both bathroom floors, making this unit truly special. Kitchen boasts granite countertops, plenty of cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. This is one of the few units in building with gas 4-burner range and oven. Private laundry room features full-size washer/dryer and addtl. Room for separate storage. Master bedroom is huge and walk-in closet is spacious and orderly, connecting to private master bathroom. Crown molding throughout unit. Fresh paint. Plenty of storage in this move-in ready historic condo, blocks away from all that Charlotte has to offer. True historic charm. For more information,